Welcome back to AutoResolve. In this video, I will show you how to link your provider to MyDisney so you can get unlimited access ESPN.
Step 1. Check if your TV provider qualifies. Providers currently supported include Hulu, Live TV, DirecTV, Streaming Only, Fubo V, and Spectrum TV. Step 2. Ask for the activation email. Contact your provider's live chat or support and request the ESPN unlimited activation email. Users report that a quick chat often works. Step 3. Click the activation link. Open the email and click the link. This activates ESPN Unlimited with your provider. Step 4. Sign in with your MyDisney account. In the ESPN app, launch the ESPN app, go to Settings, then MyDisney account, and log in using the same email you used with your provider. Step 5. Enjoy ESPN Unlimited content. Once linked, you can watch ESPN content through the ESPN app and certain content via Disney or Hulu.